Howdy folks, Doc Reese here with an update for MD number 3. So you can see it's sitting complete and outside, which means it's a runner. Got the front end done, new tube in it so it stays up. Went through the injection pump, all new seals, new fuel filters, cleaned everything out, blew all the lines out, new water jacket gaskets, made them, put them back on. Took this linkage all apart, lubed it up. Got a little bit too tight yet. The friction disc is just a little bit too tight, but it works. This oil cup here was filled to the top, and I saw a little bit of oil and thought, well, at least it's got oil in it, till I went to clean it out and realized that there was just a little bit of oil on the surface, and everything underneath it I had to chisel out. That dirt had been in there for who knows how long. Cleaned the tank out, got an actual hood for it. It had a gas M hood on it, which is actually a little bit shorter than an MD hood. So I drove to Iowa, picked this hood up, and it actually matches patina. So I'm pretty happy about that. Got a new shock and seat pivot bolt, so the seat's nice and tight now. Ended up swapping out the steering support here because the last one was broke. This one isn't too far behind it. Unfortunately, that's the weak point on these. Cleaned the whole gas system out, cleaned the bowl, made new gaskets, cleaned the line out, rebuilt the carb, touched up the points a little bit. And while I had it apart, I checked the hour meter, and the hour meter does work. And right now it's at 7741 on this machine. All new radiator hoses, new belt, and I took this adjusting pulley here, cleaned it all up, spun it the whole way out, spun it back in so it's all nice and loose now for in the future. New hardware in the front end. Thank you to Levi and Warren for the tire. Hillbilly Equipment and Salvage out of Carson, North Dakota. But I suppose the moment everybody's waiting for, a little less talk, a lot more action. This isn't completely finished out yet, so I got some things doctored up here a little bit. So I got my switch for the gas side, ignition switch, and the switch for the starter gave out. So I have to use alternate means of starting this. I gotta go back to the other side. Apologize for the beeping. It's telling me that it's not safe to be in the garage right now. I had this running in the garage and then pulled it out. So the carbon monoxide in there is what it's beeping about. Alrighty, we're on the gas side. Check one more time. We're in neutral. Let's fire it up. I didn't adjust the valves on this yet, but I wanted to run it some. And then I'll go ahead and adjust them once I make sure they're all good and loose. They're close, but they could use a little bit of touching up. I don't know if I can really show it or not. It does have a hint of glue on it. But there she be, MD number 3. Running it alive once again. Thanks for watching, and got some new exciting stuff coming up, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Thanks.